Online scams have made people worldwide skeptical about buying products and services on the internet. Many hesitate to purchase even from good offers because they fear being scammed. But if you run a genuine business, you can stand out and build real trust. Here's how to legitimize your online business and grow confidently with Truehost. First, invest in a professional, secure website. A slow or unreliable site instantly damages your credibility. Choose reliable hosting like Truehost Shared or Cloud Plans. With Truehost, you get a free SSL certificate, so your site shows the secure HTTPS padlock, fast loading speeds, and 99.9% uptime. Customers feel safe when they see your site is professionally hosted and secure. Second, be transparent. Clearly display your full business name, physical address or location, phone number, and contact email on your website. Add your company registration details if available. Professional business email addresses like info@yourbusiness.com look far more trustworthy than free Gmail or Yahoo accounts. Third, show social proof. Display genuine customer testimonials, real product photos, and case studies. Integrate trusted global payment options such as PayPal, Stripe, credit cards, and other secure gateways. Fourth, publish clear policies. Create visible pages for return and refund policy, privacy policy, shipping policy, and terms of service. These details signal that you are a serious, legitimate business. Fifth, secure your website properly. Use Truehost's daily backups, malware scanning, and advanced security features so your site stays protected from hackers. A compromised website destroys trust instantly. Finally, operate with integrity. Deliver exactly what you promise, respond to customer inquiries quickly, and encourage honest reviews. Over time, your reputation will grow naturally. Legitimizing your online business is a global necessity. Trust is built on professionalism, transparency, and security. Truehost helps businesses worldwide look credible, stay secure, and scale successfully. If you're ready to take your business seriously, visit Truehost.com today, choose the right hosting package, and launch a website that customers can trust. Don't let scammers win. Build legitimacy, earn trust, and grow your business the right way with Truehost.